Tama mo namang i-record. Here you go. Basang is absent. Okay. Balik na ako sa chat. So, Basang is absent. Belino is absent. Delilis is absent. De Leon is absent. Bakun is absent. Sir Lamyong is absent. Lucas is absent. Madriag is absent. Molina is absent. Rimando. Osana.
Present, sir.
Sadoy. Somera. Sino yun? Nag-drop ka ng name mo?
Sir Rimando, present po. Late.
Okay. So, Rimando is present.
Lucas present, sir.
Lucas. Nag-drop ka ba ng last name mo, Mr. Lucas?
Ay, hindi ko po tinig, sir, kaya walang IoT.
Hindi, ang sabi ko, nag, naglagay ka ba ng pangalan mo dito? Nag-drop ka ng last name. Dito sa chat box, kasi dito ako nag-base ng mga chinekan ko yung attendance kanina.
Ay, okay, sir. Hindi pa po, sir.
Nakikinig. Anyway, so let's make this one quick. So I just published the lab number 3 instruction and then the lab number 3 submission link. So you can already access this one. So this will introduce the ESP32, so what it can do, okay? So what what you need to do here is read the, well, you can read that one, okay, yung mga types ng ESP32 natin, but I want you guys to visit, okay, this one, the number 2. So we do have examples of ESP32 projects in here. Okay? So mostly lahat nandito, I think medyo covered na neto lahat ng mga possible projects. Maliban na lang kapag bago talaga yung project or it is something innovative that is cannot be found in here. So for example, we do have this NeoPixel rainbow. So we do have the code here and then what will it do? Okay, if you do have this ESP32 and then this ring in here. Okay. So just click the play button and then it will show to you the simulation on what will happen to these devices. So as you can see, these on this values, so it can create a circular rainbow pattern. So marami pang iba dyan. Under walkway, for example, the seven segment display counter. So yun, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0 again. May pa. Hanggang F pala yata to. So may letter A, B, C, D in there. Hanggang F. So this one is a hexadecimal. So from 0 to F. So marami pang iba dyan. So I would like you guys to explore this one. And so in this activity, I would like you guys to okay, it. So yun, this activity will run in just technique, explore. Ito pala. Ayan. So I would like you guys to modify this one and modify this one as well. So I would like you guys to add an activity to the add a module or a component. Okay. So what is that component? So that would be the SSD1306 OLED display. Because initially, this would just show the result on the console. Okay, so temperature is 24 degrees and humidity is 40%. So, ayun, dadagdagan nyo to. You're going to modify this one. And then I would like you guys to add the SSD 1306 OLED display. Okay, and then dito na dapat, sa OLED display na dapat magpapakita yung reading ng temperature sa kanang humidity natin. Okay? So, are we clear on that one so far? So are we clear, or do you guys have a question or clarification regarding with your laboratory number 3?
Yes, sir. Any
Okay, anyway, wala kasing sumasagot eh. Alright, so that's all. So the deadline is until this coming Friday, so you can do this one today. So it would only take you maybe 10 to 20 minutes to do this laboratory. So after that, I would like you guys to explore the other things, okay, na nandito, na na-simulate na ng walkway. Okay, so this is a very good uh simulator about ESP32, the things that it can do and probably it cannot do kapag wala dito. Okay. So yeah, that would be all. If you guys don't have any question, then yeah, meet na lang ulit tayo for this coming Friday. So bye and see you guys next meeting.
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.